Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to convert your cake into booze. So if you want to get high on cake, this is the way to go. So instead of baking the alcohol into the cake, we're going to pour the alcohol into the cake. We're not going to bake with it. Do you understand? Okay. So the first thing you want to do, I already did this several times, yeah? The first thing you want to do is poke a knife or something sharp in the middle and pull out some cake in the middle as deep as you can, and then pour in some alcohol inside. You can do this like 4 or 5 times. Just make sure you don't do it all at once so it doesn't overflow. You can do it like maybe 5 times or 6 times. And every time you pull out the cake and then pour some alcohol, don't pour too much. The cake inside absorbs the alcohol you poured inside. And you don't have to use vodka. You can use brandy, you can use cream, you can use whatever kind of alcohol, but do not use beer. Please do not use beer. Okay, so you can do these like 4 or 5 times until the cake absorbs the whole alcohol. And every time you pour some booze inside, you have to seal up the top. That's the only way it can absorb really well. So if you're in quarantine and you want to like spoil yourself, buy some cake somewhere. You don't have to, okay, you can order from me, of course. Buy some cake and then you can pour in the alcohol by yourself if you want, and then seal it and put it in the fridge. You can do this like maybe 4, 5, 6 times until it absorbs the whole bottle of alcohol, and then you and your friends can get drunk on cake. So thank you guys. I hope, okay, I made this cake for someone recently, and I thought to myself, why not film it and show people how to like get drunk on cake? What I'm doing right now is sealing it so like it can really absorb well. So when I want to pour the next batch, I'm going to pull it out again and then seal it again when I'm done. That way it absorbs really well. So thank you guys. I hope this is useful to you. You try it out and see you next time.